Hey there, and welcome to our channel. Are you tired of feeling like your skin is aging faster than you are? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to reveal the 6 secrets to looking younger, so you can keep your skin healthy and vibrant no matter your age. So, if you're ready to turn back the clock and feel confident in your skin again, keep watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. As we age, our skin undergoes several changes that can make us look older. Fine lines, wrinkles, age spots, and sagging skin are all signs of aging that many of us are familiar with. However, there are ways to combat these changes and maintain a youthful appearance. In this article, we will discuss the 6 secrets to looking younger. Protect your skin from the sun. The sun is one of the biggest culprits when it comes to premature aging. Exposure to UV rays can cause damage to the skin, leading to wrinkles, age spots, and even skin cancer. To protect your skin, it is essential to wear sunscreen with at least SPF 30 whenever you are outside. Additionally, you should try to avoid direct sunlight during peak hours between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. and wear protective clothing, such as hats and long-sleeved shirts. Stay hydrated. Drinking water is crucial for maintaining healthy skin. When your body is dehydrated, your skin can become dry and dull, which can accentuate wrinkles and fine lines. It is recommended that you drink at least 8 glasses of water per day to keep your skin looking plump and youthful. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for maintaining healthy skin. When you sleep, your body repairs and regenerates cells, which helps to keep your skin looking young and vibrant. On the other hand, lack of sleep can cause dark circles, bags under your eyes, and a dull complexion. It is recommended that adults get 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to maintain healthy skin. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise is not only good for your physical health, but also for your skin. When you exercise, your body produces endorphins, which can help reduce stress and improve your mood. Additionally, exercise improves blood flow, which can help deliver oxygen and nutrients to your skin, promoting healthy, youthful skin. Maintain a healthy diet. Eating a healthy diet can also help keep your skin looking young. Foods that are high in antioxidants, such as fruits and vegetables, can help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, foods that are high in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon and nuts, can help improve skin elasticity, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Use the right skincare products. Using the right skincare products can also help maintain youthful skin. Products that contain retinoids, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid have been shown to improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. It is important to choose products that are suitable for your skin type and to use them consistently to see results. Maintaining youthful skin requires a combination of lifestyle habits and skincare products. Protecting your skin from the sun, staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, eating a healthy diet, and using the right skincare products are all essential for maintaining healthy, youthful-looking skin. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you can help slow down the aging process and maintain a youthful appearance for years to come. Thanks for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed learning about the 6 secrets to looking younger, and that you'll start incorporating these tips into your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. We've got plenty of other tips and insights on healthy living, so stay tuned.